it's in good hands, and I think it's the writing standards are very high, and all round I give it an A star. But my own personal taste is I'd just like to be able to understand it a bit easier.
Well, that speed thing all came about once there were so many channels. They were terrified that people would switch channel if there wasn't something happening every millisecond. So every programme now hurtles by at a breakneck rate to make you worried you'll miss something if you change over to see what's on the other side. I looked at an episode of something I did in the 70s, and it was so leisurely. There was a boardroom scene where 8 people sitting around the table talking, and it lasted 15 minutes. And that was what television was accepted as then. It has got faster and faster, you're quite right. And I love the new series. I think the thing that always encourages me is I look at all the new Doctors, and each one I think, yeah, that's brilliant. They're all so good, which means that they must have got it right in the past as well. So that means we're good as well, which is quite nice.
That's always good, yeah.
We're in very good company. And I'm really looking forward to Peter Capaldi, because I've seen him do stuff. He's got a wonderful kind of bubbling ferocity about him, which is perfect for the Doctor. But I think, the Doctor is almost actor-proof. I think there are actors out there who could do a really good 5-minute series of the Doctor, and others who could do a good 5-year series of the Doctor. But it's almost that the format is so good that any actor worth his salt can give his version of the Doctor, because it's bound to be different from other Doctors, and therefore you're going to be interested. And I bet every single one of you here at some point has mourned the passing of the Doctor that was your Doctor. And then within 4 or 5 episodes you're going, oh, but this one's good too. And just think how you'd feel if it was a woman. Who thinks we should have a woman Doctor one day? Quite high pitched, that, wasn't it? What? That was quite high pitched. The shrieks. Who thinks we shouldn't have a woman Doctor? Oh, very good. In America, in England, you get a great resistance to the idea of a female Doctor. I think it would be fantastic. Who? You say I was the female Doctor?